Take command of the road in the 2014 Jeep Cherokee. It distinguishes itself from the competition with features such as a trip computer, remote keyless entry, a roof rack, and a split folding rear seat. Jeep also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.